Hello po sa inyo, Taurus Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. So, diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for February 2025. Nakaready na po yung ating mga cards na pre-shuffle ko na po sila lahat para po tipid tayo sa oras. Thank you po for your positive viewing sa last natin na weekly reading. I enjoyed a lot of your comments and suggestions and stories, and thank you dahil napakataas po ng reading niyo, Taurus. So let's start now with your monthly reading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po sa mga makaka-resonate. Let's start. Final cut. Kunin niyo lang po yung makaka-resonate kayo ha, and leave the rest. And use po your intuition para po makuha niyo yung akmang messages for you sa reading natin. Mag-comment po kayo sa baba kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay? Ito po yung core ng inyong reading for today. You have the Knight of Wands. In the area of your of what you want is the Nine of Cups. In the area of what you need, you have the Four of Cups. In the area of your recent past, ay Queen of Cups. In the area of your near future, ay the Strength. Sa area po ng challenge ninyo, this month ay King of Swords. In the area of your fortune, we have the Two of Wands. In the area of your advice, divine advice, ay the Star at Temperance. In the area of your outcome this month ay Three of Swords. So, pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya. So, tingnan natin kung ano yan. At the bottom of your deck, we have the Five of Pentacles saying na wag mo daw pahalagahan yung mga bagay na wala ka ngayon o mga bagay na you lack. Alam niyo yun, yung parang mga bagay na hinahanap mo dahil wala kang ganyan, wala kang ganto. So, Five of Pentacles is telling you na pag sumikapan mo, and also look at the bright future for the bigger picture. Kung anong meron ka, yun ang i-celebrate mo. Kung kailangan mo ng help, ask for help. Hindi ka hinaan ng paghingi ng tulong o paghingi ng opinion sa ibang tao, o pag-ask kung pwede ka bang bigyan ng payo sa ganito, sa ganyan, o tulungan ka to elevate or halimbawa to solve a problem of yours. So, Five of Pentacles about help. It's about you realizing na kung ano yung strength mo, dapat nung ka nag-focus at hindi sa weaknesses mo. Okay? Sa heart of your reading, you have the Knight of Wands. You have that fire within you to go sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Meron kang pinapangarap, meron kang gustong gawin, meron kang goal na gustong ma-accomplish. So, go for it. Lakad ka lang, takbo ka lang doon. Huwag kang hihinto, huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob kahit anong sabihin ng iba. I'm hearing may mga nagdi-discourage sa'yo na huwag mong gawin to, huwag mong gawin yan, o hindi mo mararating yan, o pangit yung pangarap mo, o pangit yung decision mo. Kung sa heart mo na-feel mo na ito yung gusto mong gawin, go for it. I'm also hearing, because Knight of Wands is a messenger to eh. So, I'm hearing there is a positive news coming your way this February, so watch out for that. You will be celebrating kasi ito ay tungkol sa mga bagay na pinapahalagahan mo about your dreams or about your yung outcome na hinahanap mo. I'm hearing you being approved for a visa, or you getting that go signal na gawin mo na to, o this time papaboran ka na ng boss mo, ikaw naman yung bibigyan niya ng opportunity to prove yourself, sa mga ganon. So may big project o merong, I'm also seeing someone working on real estate at ngayon makakakuha ka na ng client na bibili talaga ng condo o ng bahay. Yun yung biglang nag-flash sa mind ko. So go for it. Don't stop, don't lose that fire, because yung swerte parating na sa'yo. Knight of Wands is being clarified by the Two of Cups. You getting that higher, getting aligned dun sa higher self mo. Kung ano yung gusto mangyari ng high above for you, mag-a-align ka dun, gagawin mo yun, because this time, kung ano yung wish sa taas at gusto mangyari ng taas, matutupad dito sa lupa at yun ang gagawin mo. So, you are charging and going for the things that you love, for the things na pinapangarap mo. Kung ito ay for others, if this is a love reading, you meeting the one na para sa'yo, I'm saying na compatible kayo. First time mo palang mag-meet, parang you already know him or her, magaan ng loob mo sa kanya. So, go for that. Pag naramdaman mo na ay parang compatible kami to, okay kami nito, that the one is divinely sent sa'yo. Akit tayo sa taas. sa ating conscious and subconscious position in the area of what you want. Ito yung gusto mo mangyari, fulfillment. You want to be fulfilled. Gusto mo ng yung hindi ka na problema bukas o problema sa mga bagay na dapat meron ka. I'm seeing you wanting na ayaw mo next month paproblemahin mo pa si ganito, paproblemahin mo yung ganyan, pambayad sa ganito, pabayad sa ganyan. I'm also seeing na gusto mo na lumagay sa tahimik. If you want to propose dun sa love mo, ito yung manifestation, no? Ito yung confirmation, this is what you want. You want then, parang halimbawa kung ikaw naman yung babae, you want that your partner would propose to you na o yayain ka na lumagay sa tahimik. I'm also seeing that. I'm also seeing you launching. Gusto mo nang itayo tong negosyong gusto mong itayo. And also you parang mananalo ka sa isang award or isang contest o isang paraffle o isang lotto. I'm seeing you parading your awards, ganyan. You want to be fulfilled. Gusto mo na hindi ka na mahihirapan dun sa mga bagay na pinagtrabahuhan mo dati. Parang this time, I want recognition. I want to be proven that I'm right or to be proven that kaya kong maabot yung mga pangarap ko. When you see also that Nine of Cups, mag-wish po kayo because it's a card of fulfillment and attainment of dreams. So, take a pause and take a wish. Make a wish. Okay? So, clarify natin yung Nine of Cups. You have the Three of Cups, celebration. Yeah, you want to celebrate the fruit of your labor with the people that you love. Gusto mo nang i-celebrate at mag-celebrate ka naman din ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, mga gusto mong maabot, gusto mong marating. In the area of what you need, ito yung bagay na kailangan mo daw, sabi ng ating higher power, ng Holy Spirit at saka ng Spirit Guides, ay you read mo daw na take the opportunity when it comes. May parating na opportunity. I'm seeing this, ito yon yung Knight of Wands mo. Di parating. At you need to embrace it. Kailangan mo daw malaman kung ano yung, kailangan mo maramdaman. Listen to the synchronicities. Ito paparating na to, ito'y para sa'yo. Kung hindi mo na gusto tong 3 cups na to sa buhay mo, hindi ka na masaya o hindi ka na fulfilled sa bagay na meron ka at may hinahanap ng iba, listen to the signs and synchronicities na dala sa'yo ng ating Holy Spirit and Spirit Guides because may paparating sa'yo na maganda at bagong swerte. You need to see that 4, I'm hearing 4. That is a angel number na kailangan mo. You are protected. You are divinely protected. So, malalaman mo yan pag dumating na sa'yo yung bagay na para sa'yo. And it will make you really happy because now you are not satisfied, diba? Gusto mo nga ng fulfillment. You want to celebrate, diba, with your family. So, parating yan, parating. So, the 4 of Cups is being clarified. The 7 of Wands, you proving yourself. Tama nga sinabi ko ito, proving yourself, getting what you deserve. Also, wanting to give boundaries din sa ibang tao na hindi mo kasundo o hindi na nag-resonate sa'yo o mga taong hindi na kailangan sa buhay mo. You want something else. You want to go to have a new cycle sa life mo. Parang sinabi mo na napatunayan ko yung sarili ko, I have done everything for this position sa trabaho ito. I want to level up. You want promotion o kaya you want a recognition from your higher boss. I'm also sensing you want another child. I'm hearing you want another child. That's the, I don't know, but bigla ko narinig yun. You want another baby or another child. So that will be like a blessing coming to you. So in the recent past, you have the Queen of Cups sa past mo. Nilaan mo yung puso mo sa bagay na to, nag-focus ka sa bagay na to. You were very passionate, maalaga ka. If this for a love reading, lahat binigay mo sa taong ito, wala kang tinira. Umikot yung mundo mo sa kanya. I'm seeing you showing and proving how much you love this person. For others, it is also about you being fulfilled with sa mga bagay na pinahalagahan mo. If this is about children, I'm seeing a mother na sobrang devoted sa mga anak nila, pinag-arasal yung fulfillment ng mga anak nila, o meron kang wino-worry about your son or your daughter and dinadasal mo na sana maayos na yung bagay na yun. If you're I'm seeing you, kanina sabi ko you're gonna win a trophy. I'm seeing a trophy na mananalo ka. In the past, you have devoted your whole heart in this one. So the Queen of Cups is being clarified by the Empress. Yeah, it is a mother, a pregnancy, but if it is something na about a project, a passion project, talagang tinrabaho mo siya to get the things that you want. Okay? Pero I'm sensing parang hindi pa siya tapos o hindi ka pa fulfilled o hindi mo pa siya fully nakukuha. So you're working and working and working and nilaan mo yung buong puso mo at buong atensyon mo doon. In the area of your recent near future, you have the strength card. Panitibahin ka nitong bagay na ito. You have proven your worth. You have proven na kaya mo. Dati pinagdudahan mo sarili mo, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko bang alagaan to? Kaya ko bang hawakan tong posisyon na to? Hanggang saan pa ba kaya ko? Now, in the near future, matutupad yung gusto mong mangyari dahil nagtiyaga ka. Dirinig yung dasal mo dahil naging matyaga ka, pasensyoso ka, hindi ka lumaban. Alam mo yun, yung kahit pinaprovoke ka na, I'm seeing you having that strength to move away or strength na wag sumagot o wag sumagot o wag lumaban o wag pumatol. Yun ang hearing, wag na hindi ka papatol. So you have that strength within you. The strength card is being clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yeah, it's about you having this harmonious relationship with your family. You have the strength para ipaglaban yung mga bagay para sa pamilya mo. At pinipili mo din yung yung sitwasyon. Ayaw mo nang mag-escalate kasi gusto mo maging harmonious lang, maging peaceful lang. And you have that inner strength na kayanin ko ano man yung mga nangyayari. Because ang iniisip mo for the family, iniisip mo para hindi masira yung ganto, hindi masira yung ganyan, hindi gumulo, hindi mag-escalate yung drama o yung problema, ano? In your challenge, you have the King of Swords. Challenge sa iyo yung panindigan, yung magiging decision mo. I'm hearing meron ka magiging isang matinding decision this month, February, na kailangan mong parindigan. You have to set sail on this. Kung ano yung sasabihin mo, kung ano yung magiging decision mo, so be it. Wala nang turning back time ito, wala nang atrasan. So, kung ano man yung magiging decision mo, make sure that it is logical, make sure that pinagnilay-nilayan mo ang bawat area at hindi ka bigla-bigla ang magdesisyon. Use your head, use your knowledge, use your wisdom. I'm also seeing, for others, also seeing na may dating sa yung isang taong very matalino. I'm seeing also a professor na very strict and very matalas ang dila o someone na medyo will test your knowledge or will test everything that you know or your wisdom also. So, for others naman, it's you having that firm decision na ito ang decision ko at kailangan mong panindigan yun. So, the King of Swords being clarified by the Lovers. Ito yung sa mga bagay na pinapahalagahan mo, bagay na importante sa'yo. If it's about the one na mahal mo, speak up daw. That will be your challenge. Hindi ka nagsasalita o hindi mo sinasabi yung nararamdaman mo. It's also about others naman na yung partner nila hindi masyadong nakikipag-communicate sa kanila ng maayos. So parang ikaw, you're left hanging. Ano ba talagang gusto mo? Ano ba talaga itong dapat kong sabihin? Ano ba dapat natin gawin? So you're having that burden of communication with the one that you love. So that will be your challenge this month. In the area of your fortune, swerte, you have the Two of Wands. I'm seeing travel, nagka-travel ka this month for the things na pinapangarap mo or a dream vacation or a dream job. I'm seeing you being busy traveling from one point to the other. I'm also seeing you making plans for your future, kung ano yung balak mo talagang gawin. May hinawakan ka ng isang bagay, ito na yung decision mo, ito na yung gusto mong gawin, and unti-unti mong pinaplano yan. And I'm seeing na matutupad yung planong yan. It will go smoothly. Magiging busy ka dito, but it will be a very very good tiring moment. So mahirap matrabaho pero maswerte ka because nakuha mo yung pinlano mong gawin. So the Two of Wands is being clarified by the Seven of Swords. Strategize ka on how you approach things. Tinan mo siya, pinagkaplanuhan niya muna kung paano siya pupunta sa bagay na yun. So you, to plano mo, plan meticulously. You will be given the divine knowledge and power na bigla-bigla parang yung puzzle pieces matutupad. Nagiging madali sa iyo ang asikasuhin yung mga bagay-bagay. So that will be your fortune this month. In the area of your advice, you have the Star and Temperance. Be patient daw sa mga bagay na pinapangarap mo. Believe in yourself. Wag kang tawag dito. Wag kang mainip doon sa process sa pagtupad ng mga gusto mong mangyari. Make a wish din because this is a star card, something na wish upon the star. So make a wish po sa mga pangarap at gusto mo mangyari. Maghintay ka lamang. Sa ngayon, may mga bagay kang hinihiling na parang nakita mo hindi pa natutupad. So be patient. Archangel Michael is here for you, guiding you, reaching for your stars. Just believe, have faith, and don't lose your faith. That's what I'm hearing. Don't lose your faith because Archangel Michael is here, giving you what you want at the right time. So just prove na ito talagang pangarap mong ito talaga yung gusto mo mangyari, so that Archangel Michael will send the message above so that mabilis marating sa iyo yung dreams mo at mga pangarap mo. So the star card is being clarified by the strength. Have strength. Talagang keep that faith, keep that dream alive. And thus Temperance is being clarified by dalawang beses po lumabas ng Three of Swords. Kahit gaano kahirap, kahit gaano ka-disappointing, kahit na natutulog na yung puso mo sa ibang mga bagay. For others, if you are rejected or there are delays, kasi Temperance is also a card of delay. Kung may mga bagay na parang ang hirap matapos, o ang hirap gamutin, o ang hirap ituloy, I want you to know na kailangan mo lang ng tibay ng loob and paninindigan and also paniniwala sa may kapal that everything will be smooth out, everything will be okay. Bago natin puntahan itong controversial na outcome natin na Three of Swords, let's have additional messages from the Oracle cards. We have Buffalo Spirit number 10. Kung nakita po kayo ng Buffalo anywhere, whether pictures or personal, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. You have the abundant universe will provide. Like I've said, Archangel Michael is here. You are protected. God is here. Ibibigay niya lahat ng gusto mo. Yung attainment and fulfillment ng gusto mo nandyan. May darating, sabi ko sa iyo, na fourth cup para sa iyo yan. Because that is, you have proven yourself and darating yung cup na yan. So, abundant universe will provide. So, have faith in that. Another card is you are good enough. Full Moon in Virgo. Another earth sign. You are good enough. Kung anong meron ka, kung anong kakayahan mo, enough yun. Gagamit mo yun to go to the things na pinaplano mo, to go ahead. You have put your heart on this thing na binubuot pinaplano mo, at you've been strong enough for your family. So you are good enough, and know that you are worthy enough. Don't focus on your weaknesses, focus on your strength because you are good enough. Next message, discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth. Tama yun dito sa ating obstacle or challenge this month. King of Swords is about truth. No time for BS, no time for dishonesty, no time for manipulation. Ang katotohanan lang gusto mo makuha from the one that you love. So, challenge sa iyo ang hanapin lagi ang katotohanan and do the right thing at all times. So, your outcome, Taurus, you have the Three of Swords, heartbreak, loss or sorrow. For others, about relationship, pwedeng kahihiwalay mo lang nakaraan. You want fulfillment with somebody else. You want a new start, a new beginning with someone. Malungkot ka ngayon. But I want you to know na darating din yung taong para sa'yo. So, outcome, I'm seeing na parang darating agad yung moving on phase mo this February. I know February is a month of love, but I'm seeing you having that strength. Dalawang beses lumabas yung strength because you are very strong and you have, nadaanan mo na, lalagpasan mo na yan, and everything will be alright for you, Taurus. So, the Three of Swords being clarified by the Knight of Wands. Celebrate the things that are within reach for you. Kung ano yung mga natitirang bagay na dapat mong i-celebrate, dapat mong pahalagahan. The Knight of Wands is telling you, dumiretso ka pa rin. Oops, tamaan ko yung mic ko. Dumiretso ka pa rin, dalawang beses lumabas yung Knight of Wands. Sabihin, double confirmation na go ka pa rin, dumiretso ka pa rin for the things that you love. If you are finding love again, diretso lang. Don't lose hope, huwag nega. And celebrate the things na meron ka, and celebrate every step of the way because there are a lot of opportunities coming from you, and this heartache will lead you to a better person na dating sa buhay mo, a better opportunity, a better job, a better life, new cycle. Tapos na to. New cycle will come to you and you will be happy again. So, that is your monthly reading, Taurus, for February 2025. Hopefully, naka-resonate ka. Comment po kayo sa baba kung saan po kayo naka-resonate, and I'll be replying to your messages. Thank you po for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next week naman po for your weekly reading naman pagpasok na ng February. This has been James for James Tarot PH. Thank you again and God bless everybody.